Good afternoon, mga ka-Brex mo. Look at my backyard. I'm going to the backyard of my lot. This is my backyard. A lot of vegetables. Look, we have the palaya. It's already a little bit big, ready to harvest some. Oh, there is a little small here. This is the first house of the palaya. This one is the papaya. It's a little bit big now. The tanglad, the sibuyas, the sili, and another palaya. Second house of the palaya. There is also a lot of bunga. See, some are not straight in his bunga, and this one is the sikwa. So many bunga also. Yes, sikwa. Now we have the okra. So many bunga also. See, everyday harvest for salad. And we have the alugbati. We have the another palaya, and we have the sikwa and the palaya. See, and this is the lemon. It's already a little bit tall. And this is the luya. There's a lot of luya. And we have also the pinya. And our banana is already have fruits. Look at the upside of this banana, already have fruits. Also here there is a fruits. So many and we have so many pinya there, the coconut panda, and the other papaya is now having fruits. And this is the guava. This is the sweetest guava in the world. Ana siya bunga. See? There is already a bunga. This is the malunggay. This is the another papaya. And this one is for sale. 300 only. One piece. The rubber tree. The most expensive flower in the Philippines. Rubber tree.